family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. It is so hot today in Georgia, but we have to film this video. Many of you guys been asking me about my skincare routine. Personally, I'm not wearing anything. I got a napkin here, just a minute to show to you guys. I'm not wearing any makeup. This is my bare face, and most of my videos you guys see I use my bare face. I don't really use a lot of makeup. Maybe that's one of the things that giving me smooth skin, right? So many of you guys been asking me about my skincare routine. That video is coming very soon. I really don't do much to my skin. I have a simple routine which I do, and that's what I stick to. But as we are getting older, I decided to up my skincare game because I'm no more in my 20s and no more in my 30s. I'm just joking. Late 30s anyway. Did I really just say that? But yes, I decided to uplift my skincare routine a bit. So I went on the Ordinary website. I picked up some things. I went on Amazon. I picked up some things. So I just wanted to show this to you guys. I don't know which video gonna come up first. I will probably upload my skincare routine first so you guys can see exactly what I do with my skin, and then after we will start to use these new products, and you guys can let me know if you'll see any big changes in my skin. This is a lot of products, so I just gonna go into it so fast. Probably when I'm using it, then I will talk more about it. This is all I order from the Ordinary website, and their products are very affordable. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know about it because this is a brand that is all over YouTube. I'm not going in any specific order. Now for my skincare routine, I try to follow the Korean skincare routine. Like I wash my face, I put on my toner, and then I put on my serum and my moisturizer. During the day I put on my sun cream, and then that's it. So I also picked up things to go into that order, and before that I use my DIY aloe vera ice cubes and things. But let's be realistic, nowadays I've been so busy, I haven't used it for almost what, 6 months now. So yes, Aurora is going upstairs in the secret room to play with her daddy, just in case if you guys see a bump over my hair. So the first thing that a lot of people rave about on YouTube is this glycolic acid 7% and this toning solution. This is how it is looking. Let me open it quick for you guys. Some of these names are so hard to pronounce, so if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I will also leave the name on the screen for you. It's ideal to be used in the evening, the 7 p.m. and to be used once a day. Ingredient, I'm so used to ingredient. The next item that I pick up is this Squalane cleanser. A lot of people also talk about it. Going on to our natural moisturizer, this have factors plus HA in it. Let me just show you guys the size of it. This is how it is looking. The important thing that I pick up, which is very important, is sun cream. We all need sun cream. It is very important, especially it's already coming to summer. So this sun cream has the SPF of 30, and then it also got antioxidants in it. The next product is amino acid plus B5, which is very great for our skin. Moving to the next, I got 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. Now this one, there are so many on YouTube with this product. When it came out, it became so popular. This is the peeling. This is the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. I am very curious to give this a try. This is something that not to overdo it because it's just a little bit too strong, especially for people with sensitive skin like me. So I'm going to be very careful when I'm using this. Another product that a lot of people talk about is this niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This is also a very popular product with The Ordinary. The next one I have is this hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. This is also a very popular product when it comes to The Ordinary brand. Moving on, I got retinol 0.5%. Retinol is very important also for our skin. You can apply a small amount of face in the PM as part of your skincare routine. So this can only be used in the night, and I'm only gonna use it in the night. Our last two products that I picked up from The Ordinary, these are leg sprays. This one is the Soft Q Mist. You apply this after you clean your face before your toner. Let me make sure of that. Yes, before the application of your serums or cream. So this is like a face mist that you apply. Now this last one is a porous flush. It's also in a mist form. I will also leave the name on the screen. You can also apply this morning and evening on clean face, dry face before the application of other skincare treatment. So these are all the products that I picked up from The Ordinary. I will show you guys exactly how I will be using these products. And then after I use it for a while, I will let you guys know my favorite among them and which ones I'm going to stick with. Next skincare collection that I got is in this box. This is from Amazon.com, and then I don't know where I picked this up from. I will have to remember. I think from Ross. These are my makeup blender. It's a lot of makeup blender in here. I don't hardly wear makeup, so I don't know why I picked up so much of this, but that's great. If I do wear makeup once in a while, that will come in very handy. And then I also pick up these wipes for my face. If I wear makeup, I love to take some of the makeup out with wipes first before going in with my makeup remover and exfoliating my face and things like that. And then I picked up this Collagen and Hyaluronic Firming Facial Mist. I picked up two of this. I can't remember where I picked this up from. I can't remember, but you can also find it on Amazon. I'm pretty sure. I will leave the link down in the description box. Now, this is something that I saw a video from Jackie Erner. This dermalogica. This is the pre-cleanse. You guys know when it comes to my hair, I love the pre-poo, right? So when I saw this, I was like, this is something I would love to give a try. So I picked this up. This will be my first time using this brand. They are a little bit pricey, but I will give it a try. If it worked great for me, I will stick with it. If not, I will just stay with what's working for me. And then this is the special cleaning gel, also from the same brand. Now this Paula's Chores, I saw a YouTuber. She did a skincare video and then she mentioned this. I can't remember her name, but I will look for it and put it on the screen. She recommended this and this. So because of that, I picked it up. Thank you, girl. She have a very beautiful skin. So I was like, okay, let me give it a try. So this is a calming toner. And this is a skin perfecting. It's an exfoliant with 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I also picked up two extra serum for my skin. This one is for my eyes, for around my eyes, and this one is for my skin. I also picked up some night cream with retinol in it. This one is for what? This is Retinol Plus. I think this is for the day. because I made sure one was for the day and one was for the night. Yeah, so this is the day cream that I will use on my skin for the day, and this is for the night, and this also have collagen in it. I will make sure that I leave links down in the description box for you guys. I also pick up a volumizing mascara because I don't use false lashes, so I want to keep growing my lashes. So I pick up a mascara, and this one is a lash serum, and I picked this up as well. So yes, I think that's all. Those are all what I picked up for my skincare, and I will let you guys know how all of these products are working for me and which one I can recommend, but I have to try it for a while before I can let you guys know. But in the meantime, I will show you guys my morning skincare routine, my night skincare routine. My skincare routine, if I wear makeup, it's a lot of process. That's why I don't like wearing makeup, because when I wear makeup, I need to make sure that I do a lot to get it out from my skin. So I will also show you guys my skincare routine if I wear makeup. And I also created my summer pamper day routine. On every Sunday is the time for me to relax, calm down, just pamper myself. I will also record that routine for you guys. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like. If you have tried any of these products and it did work for you, please let me know down in the comment section, and that will also help others. Feel free to share your beauty secret with us as well. Do not forget to order my new hair care line that just came out. Support your girl, support a woman-owned, black-owned, female business. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.